At Bob Boldt HVAC, we specialize in comprehensive AC repair services for residents in St. Paul, Minnesota 55123. Our skilled technicians are dedicated to restoring comfort to your home quickly and efficiently, ensuring your air conditioning system operates at peak performance. We understand the importance of a functioning AC system, especially during the hot summer months. Our team is equipped to handle all types of AC repairs, from minor issues to major breakdowns. With prompt service and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we guarantee reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Trust Bob Boldt HVAC to keep your home cool and comfortable all season long. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for an AC repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. How do I know if my AC needs repair? Signs that your AC needs repair include warm air coming from vents, strange noises, weak airflow, frequent cycling, and increased energy bills. If your system struggles to cool your home efficiently, contact Bob Boldt HVAC for a professional inspection. Can regular maintenance prevent AC repairs? Yes, regular maintenance can prevent many AC repairs by identifying potential issues early, ensuring efficient operation, and extending the system's lifespan. Bob Boldt HVAC recommends annual checkups to keep your air conditioner running smoothly and reliably. What is your service area for the Eagan, Minnesota office? Our AC repair service has successfully helped customers in the surrounding areas of Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota AC repair service located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.